Hello, I'm Chef Sky from Infuzed Cookin. Welcome to my Colorado kitchen. Today we're going to talk about Thrive Market unboxing and product review. Thrive Market is an online market offering the highest quality, healthy, and sustainable products delivered at member-only prices. In this video, you'll find out why members save on the highest rated products. Thrive Foods has a wide assortment of member-only products that are used in my Colorado kitchen. Thank you, and let's get infused. With an annual membership, members save on the highest quality rated products from the most trusted organic and non-GMO brands. Thrive offers household essentials, bath and body products, vitamins and supplements, along with frozen meat, seafood, and a wine selection. Thrive Market promises its community of 900,000 plus members guaranteed savings, along with better quality and service, with shipping straight to your door. Thrive is committed to bringing members organic, non-GMO products for every lifestyle, everything you can find at a health food store. Thank you for watching Infused Cookin', and happy infusing.